Hello everyone, and welcome to another video for mindful eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. Today we'll be making some pancakes, and these are going to be vegan strawberry and banana pancakes. I will give you all the ingredients in the link description box. So we're just waiting for the pan to heat up here, and I'm using a very small ladle. And the thing is, I've used gluten-free flour. You can use plain flour. If you have a gluten intolerance, obviously use gluten-free flour. If you don't, use normal plain flour. And we're just going to lightly coat the pan. Let's see if this will be a win or a yay or a nay with the pancakes. Just going to lightly pour them in there. And what we're waiting for really is for the pancakes to basically cook evenly on one side. Once they've done that, we are going to flip them over and we're going to show you another one. So here we go. Hopefully it'll be a yay and not a nay. So it's still waiting to be cooked on one side, and basically we're just going to let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. You can count it in your head or just use your an average ratio of how long it's going to take. And I'm going to try and see if we can flip it over. I don't think it's quite there yet. I'm going to give it a few more minutes. And I'll show you what the other side looks like afterwards. So here we are. We've just flipped over the pancake, and this is the consistency that we want. Obviously, gluten-free gluten-free products cook differently to products that have gluten in it. But just basically waiting for that to cook. And then I'll show you another one, and then I'll show you the finished product. And there you have it, our vegan banana and strawberry pancakes. I use gluten-free flour, so the texture of the pancakes are different. But I do hope that you all will try this recipe, and I will share all the information